in this video, we're going to take a look at creating an axial map analysis using DepthmapX. So I'm going to be using a similar buildings file that I've used in the previous video. The first thing you want to do is create a new file and then import the DXF file that you created. It's better off if you sort things out in the file. If the file isn't too large, usually it closes down if it has problems with the file. So I'm going to re-import it. Yeah, that's the file that we edited. And one key thing to ensure that the outer boundary does not have any gaps in them while you're drawing it on CAD. So once you have that area that you want to study, then we might just jump right into the analysis part. So the first thing we want to do is mark out the boundary that we are going to study. So this is the boundary. We're going to use the connected lines tool and click there. This might take a while depending on how big your model is. Once we have this ready, you can see how it connects different points on the map. And usually the longer the line, the darker the shade. So right now it's showing you the line length. And if you feel like the current representation is towards one side, like it's just showing blues or something, then you can probably go to the color range and bring that down a notch. Probably that. Yeah, and then apply. You can just apply until you start seeing the other side of the spectrum. Yeah, that's good. So this is just the connectivity that I was looking at. So now what we can do is we can reduce the number of lines by going to tools, axial maps, and then reduce to fewest line map. And once we do that, it's going to give us the most I guess it's going to give us the features which probably matter the most, such as the longest lines, the shortest lines, and the most connected lines, etc. So yeah, let us run. And once this has run, we'll be left with the feature line set, which can be used for the axial analysis. So as you can see here, these are the longest, probably the shortest here, and no. So one thing you can do now is run the graph analysis. You can use the data map to link other maps. If you have another map, you can sort of link it there as like another city or different flows. But over here, we're just looking at just one plate. So we're not going to worry about those. Now we're going to run the graph analysis, include the betweenness. And okay. So this is going to give us a list of these categories, which gives us, yeah, again, I think we can modify the color range so that we can exaggerate a few of the features. Yeah. So similarly, I guess we can do this for all of these things. We have the node count, mean depth, intensity, integration, entropy, choice, line lengths, and connectivity. And now we can export this map into a map info file. Yeah, on to this folder, I guess. Yep. Save. And there you have it.